Hello again from the Bureau with Southeast Australia in the midst of a cold snap, and it's certainly not over yet. I'm joined by Diana Eadie here in the National Operations Centre. Good morning, Diana.
Good morning, Adam.
Diana, we've still got plenty of warnings on the board at the moment for damaging winds. Whereabouts are they?
Yeah, so we've still got a warning for damaging winds over parts of Victoria and New South Wales with wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour, but also for South Australia with a secondary burst of strong winds moving through.
That's right, there's more to come. What sort of wind speeds have we seen so far yesterday afternoon, evening, and also overnight tonight and this morning?
Well, the most significant winds that were recorded around the Mount Lofty Ranges and also Neptune Island in South Australia, around about 120 kilometres an hour, but also Cape Otway in Victoria more recently, so quite widespread damaging to locally destructive winds.
And certainly through the Melbourne metro area this morning, we saw the winds hit around the commute time, and I think 95 kilometres an hour was around the fastest we've seen at Frankston there. If we take a quick look at the satellite image, the weather systems that are generating this weather, it's quite extensive, isn't it? So we've actually got 3 low pressure centres, one to the east of Bass Strait just there, another one to the southeast of Tasmania, and also another one further west. That's that second burst that's going to arrive in South Australia for the weekend. Diana, for Tasmania, the weather's really yet to hit. What can the southeast of the state expect on Saturday?
Well, as that low starts to approach Tasmania, we'll see showers increasing tomorrow. We could see around about 30 to 40 millimetres for southeastern parts of Tasmania. And with that, there's a risk of some minor flooding as well.
So definitely keep an eye out for a flood watch. Looking a little bit further north again, so for South Australia, that weather system's still approaching, that second one. That's why we've got that damaging wind warning in place. So more wintry weather on the way for Saturday. Through Victoria, the interest is still around that bitterly cold weather. Snow to low levels, more snow for the alpine regions on Saturday. We've seen blizzards overnight last night. What about further north through New South Wales? We're expecting snow to areas that don't normally see it so often. What sort of level are we expecting snow to on Saturday through the central and northern tablelands?
Yeah, that's right. So for southern parts of New South Wales, lowering to around about 500 metres, but those central parts that you mentioned, we'll see snow levels around about 900 metres today, lowering down to 700 over the course of the day. So unusually low for those central parts of New South Wales.
Most definitely, and this is a weather system that extends over the weekend. Certainly, most immediately, the wind is the greatest risk. Those warnings extend into eastern New South Wales, including populated areas. So please keep an eye on the severe weather warnings as we head into the weekend. And you can stay in touch with us at the Bureau on our website, app and social media.